We got bonita everywhere. Look at this. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be fishing in Pensacola, Florida for red snapper. But first we start the trip off by fishing for bait.
He reels with his right hand.
Oh, he does? First cast.
Good one?
Size of one, maybe.
Anything, that's a good cut bait.
What is it?
Is it hardtail?
Oh boy, he found the boat.
What was that?
Him?
Yeah, he just found the boat.
Bonita.
It's a bonita.
Oh, it is?
Yes.
Maybe I was looking for me.
Yep, little bonita.
Nice, bro. Excellent throw.
All right, nice little bonita right there. Bait. Give it a little slack. Another bonita. All right, got a group of fish here. Hopefully some bonitas.
That's how they like it.
Oh, fish on. Little one. Coming to you. Oh, that's a Spanish.
Oh.
Fish on. It's heavier.
Might be a boat.
Yep. Right, bonita. Nice. Them little jokers bite so hard. Good Lord. That head shake. Oh, motor.
There you go.
He's angry. Coming to you.
Yep.
Oh, maybe not. Come on, buddy. There we go.
Perfect.
Good hook set there. I have it recording, but that's a nice Spanish.
I think it's
He's like 19 at the V.
total or
What is that little guy?
big single. We call them rubies. They're a type of porgy.
Okay.
That's what we're going to use for bait.
And how deep are you? You're 48 feet deep?
48.
Yeah, they got
And
that now.
for these Spanish and stuff, I'm just using a little jig.
Alex.
So what is that, an attractant?
The fish bite?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's like a
two more.
like synthetic bait of some sort.
Got him.
Nice little boat fish, man.
Make a run for the boat. You're gonna come right in it. Ready? Boop.
Self-defense.
That's how we roll.
Relocated and put it lower.
Yeah. Here we have some bait and also nice Spanish. And then we also have the minnows that Chris was catching. So we're gonna head out and try to catch some snapper.
What the fuck is that?
I don't know.
We ain't putting that thing in the boat.
No.
Oh, I see what you're talking about. It's like looks like wood
Yeah.
crate or
Oh,
something.
look at big old sea turtle.
Oh yeah,
Shit
big
out of
sweet,
it.
big turtle, big turtle. There's got to be fish all up in here,
There's
dude.
gotta be. Hey, buddy.
Watch out.
Don't hit me, bro. Dip, dive, baby, dive. There you go.
What a big one too.
That dude right there, same bite.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we found this tide line here. We've been fishing a little bit. Chris has got some albacore jacks, and now we found this wood pallet. It's got, what, 2 triple tail on it?
2 triple tail, maybe 1 keeper.
So we're gonna sit here. He's caught, what was that? Another albacore you just caught?
Hardtail.
Oh, hardtail, okay. Slap him on the deck, I get him. Never mind. Dude, why would you get in between the cooler?
Not gonna be too big for their mouth.
All right, guys, we just got to the spot where we're gonna do some snapper fishing. We have a lot of bait, and we had a few bites over there. What, hardtails and some Amico jacks. But now we're on a couple of wrecks here. Got a couple other boats, and we're just gonna try getting some snapper. I've never caught a snapper before, so they're telling me I'm gonna have a workout.
Be fine on the bottom right now because we're not like directly over it.
Okay, so what size? 13 ounce weight?
9.
All right, 9 ounce weight, and a little ruby.
Yep.
To the bottom of 94 foot of water.
Told you.
Didn't stop him. It took him a minute to realize he was hooked.
No, that was a shark.
Yeah. It was coming up, and all of a sudden, bye.
Yeah.
Took all the goods.
Yeah, that shark said, whew, what's he doing?
Oh well. Got him. Got him. Oh.
Like your life depends on it.
His life depends on it.
Yep.
Oh. I think it ripped my shorts.
You got a shark problem, bro.
You're going straight for the bottom.
Yep. Yep. I think we got a shark.
Oh man. Did you hear my that right there was grabbing my shorts. I was like, did you hear that? And I was like, uh-oh. There he is. There he is.
Hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up.
Got him.
Hurry up. Stop it.
Got him.
Stop it.
Woo! First snapper. Finally.
Are you up on the bottom? Are you on the bottom?
Yeah, I'm on the bottom. Well, I'm off the bottom a little. Little one, I'm gonna throw him back.
No, not yet.
Oh, too late. Okay, I'm gonna drop another one down. I've been using Bonita. The other guys are using some live bait, so I decided to use Bonita. Oh, there's a fish on it, that's why. He ate it and sat there.
Small snap.
Yep, small one. Come on, buddy.
Bring him over here.
You gonna pop him this time? There's a little one.
Little ones may not need the pop, bro.
Yeah, may not.
I don't know. He looks fine.
Bringing him up all springy too, so.
Cool. Get another one. There we go. There we go. That's a big one.
Get it?
Yeah, come on. Come on. Damn it.
Dude.
That was a good one.
That sucks, man.
That was a good one. Dang.
Oh, that rod's about to go.
Dude, it's killing my hip.
You want me to take it?
Yeah. I just need some padding in my hip.
They're good.
Woo. Yeah, the butt of that thing is terrible. Okay, we're on a new location. Gonna see if we can get some snapper without getting eat up by the sharks. Last spot, just shark after shark, so let's try this one.
Nope.
There's a bunch of them. All right, we have got a ton of red snapper under us.
Just open the bail until you see one, take it.
I don't know where mine's at. There it is. There's like 10 redfish under us.
Snapper.
Oh yeah, 10 red snapper under us.
Let line out. Just let it out with your hands.
You get that music? Holy cow, man. There's like so many of them down there. They're going deeper. Holy jeez. He got it. He got it.
No, you don't. Does he?
Yeah, he got it.
You got it? Close the bell.
Oh my God, that shark. You see that shark?
Yeah. No, the shark got it.
Nope, he ain't got it yet. That was a huge shark. He got it. Look at him, dude.
Open your mouth. John,
Oh my gosh. Come on, get it up here, buddy. Come on. Eat it. Oh man, he looked at it. He saw the hook.
you may see that swivel.
Dude, that shark was a monster.
No, my hook's still there. Wow. Toss me a Bonita chunk, please.
Here, the little one. All right, I'm about to get. He's about to get it, dude. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. There he is. There he is. Ah, come on, dude. There are so many. It's ridiculous. There. Come on. Missed it, dude. But three of them swiped it at once. That's crazy.
Dude, you see that one? Oh my God.
Dude, these are some hammers. Goodness. Mine's just not wanting to, they're not wanting to eat. I don't know why they're shying away from it.
One will be stupid enough here in a second.
Yeah, they're in a frenzy, man. That's the thing, when you get a lot of baits out.
Once they eat it, just put the, oh God. Want them out of that water, son.
Out in the water. Did not get eaten by a shark, finally. Oh, yeah, there you go. Self-release.
Nice. Oh, yeah. Dude, you're good at that.
Yeah, that's how I roll, man. There you go. Nice snapper, Chris. So I don't give a shit. They're here anyway. Come on, baby. Get him, get him, get him.
Green? Okay, green. Oh, shark's on him. Shark just got him. You got a half.
Half?
Yep. Already? You may want to think about it.
Hey, guys. Plenty of sharks.
I wanna. Oh my goodness.
Plenty of sharks.
20 feet from the boat.
Yeah. You can see him under the boat.
Right there. Oh.
Yeah, you can see him. All right, I hadn't been recording for a while because running out of GoPro battery. That's my first keeper red snapper right there. We just moved to a new section, and that's the first fish in this area. So we're gonna keep trying right here. Throw them in the cooler.
Throw them in the cooler.
Let me show you what we got in the cooler too. We caught a few more off camera, but we're doing pretty good. We got 4. This will make 5, so we're allowed 1 more. Nice cooler there, guys. Wow. So we just got on some fish here. Pulled out the old GoPro. How many? He's caught like 6 bonita already, and I just caught that red fish and that red snapper, and I missed another one. So I'm going back down with a new bait. I broke one off, so we had to restring. We got bonita everywhere. Look at this. Yeah, there's 6 of them right there.
Missing the pit.
Dude, that last snapper I hooked was massive. Slaying them, dude. Just slaying them. Okay, we made it back home. These are the fish that we decided to keep. We have 5 red snapper, 2 Almaco jacks, a couple of Spanish, and we also went ahead and racked up on bonita for tomorrow. We got 14 of those right at the end of the day, so that'll make it easier for us to get out to get to the snapper tomorrow, so we don't have to stop and get bait. But we will have to stop and get the little ruby live bait. But other than that, great day. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.